Right guys, we're at Tampa Bay River Walk area and we're basically walking the river. So we're outside the Tampa Bay History Centre, okay? I've no idea what history is in Tampa Bay, but I'm sure we're going to find out. Really nice weather, but we can't go fishing apparently. So there's lots of famous statues of people who I've never heard of. So this is Tampa Bay River Walk. Basically you walk along the river and some parts of the river have got shops on, some have got boats on, some have got historical buildings. You'll get the picture as we go along. Here's a bus of somebody else famous.
Because like I walk, like I
So here's a map. Might give you a better idea. And the blue bit is what we can walk along. Not this blue bit, this blue bit. So if we walk on that blue bit, we'll be the ground.
About like the height.
So the stuff here, all I'm going to do is walk past the stuff, and then if you want to read it, you can freeze it and then read it. For you history buffs out there, you'll love this type of stuff. Oh, we got more important people who've got their own buses here. Somebody else important? They're obviously doing some construction here. But again, as I said, this will be their quiet time, so I'm guessing that's why they're doing the work now. Oh, something else important? One behind us somewhere.
Am I getting volunteered for this?
I'll go over with them, okay?
Brendan's going to take
I'll take you over there, okay? We'll be over at the park. As you gather, Missy wants to go to the park, don't you, Missy?
Yeah.
Because you're a little baby.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you're a little baby who likes park stuff.
Park stuff.
Yeah. So we're going over to the American park.
So what's different?
So we're walking on American grass. Right, this is quite a big walk, so I'll do this on the several parts. So this will be the first part. We'll let Missy play at the park for a bit. And then we'll do part 2. I'll see what's over that bridge. I see there's a bridge there. So we'll start part 2 on that bridge. Don't forget, if you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you later, guys. Look, guys, can you see the squirrel? Be quiet, let's not wake him up. The squirrel's playing with his nuts. There he's burying them there. He's foraging for his nuts. I'm trying to be quiet so I don't want to scare him off. Or he could be digging up his nuts that he's already buried. Oh, there he is. He's gone. He's off. Oh, he's off. Yeah. I could see her. So it's not a bridge, guys, it's kind of a walkway. Oh, so you can launch boats and stuff off it by the looks of it. Tell you what, guys, instead of doing lots of different videos, what I'm going to do is just film bits short and then add them all together. It makes it easy for me when I upload it, and at least you don't have to watch about 20 different videos. You can watch it all in one go. So I will just walk along and then film what I think looks interesting, and then I'll just stitch it all together at the end. See you in a bit. There's a picture of the map, guys, but I'm just going to start recording some of these stones that people have done down. Have a nice run, Simon. I'm going to assume these are memorial stones. Yeah, it looks like it. 1999, 2015, 2017. And as you can see, they seem to stretch all the way along the length of the park.
2.5 miles long this.
And it's 2.5 miles long, so there's all these memorial stones. So
I'm gonna go get Rachel now.
okay, 1 second.
Yeah, so this way is.
So as Karen said, it's 2.5 miles long. Oh, here's another important person. Wow, look at all the big ships, boats or whatever you want to call them.
Money along the bay, isn't it, Dad?
Just a bit.
That's a cool boat.
I was just thinking that. I
Think
bet
how
you
it's
said,
designed.
yeah.
The
Look.
vintage look.
Yeah, it looks like the one off Jaws.
You don't think it looks like the one off Jaws, Rage? It's cool and vintage. I like that one. I don't like these new ones, like the old ones.
I do. I enjoy myself. Like, I just have fun. I don't know. Like, it runs and it's just like fun in the world and things like that.
Some kind of restaurant. Now we've seen all the posh boats. These seem to be the commercial boats, the one you can buy tickets on and go on. Oh, you can rent stuff here.
I go our city rec center here to that building for a house. That was
There's a pirate boat. Yeah. And a birdie. Having a lift of the pirate boat. Right. Oh, you can watch a football here in front as well. Right, they seem to be setting up some kind of music festival or carnival or something, I'm not quite sure. Yeah. Oh, they've got food trucks here as well. So it's some kind of music event anyway, I think. It's either that or... And it's definitely got a nautical feel, and a very piratey feel to it as well, whatever it is. Bucks. That could be a football thing, actually. Yeah, 'cause there's a truck over there driving around with pirate flags on the back of it. And there's these electric scooter type things. Well, there's a news channel here, whatever it is. Scott, is this a football thing?
Yeah, it's a tailgate. It's called tailgate. It's where they gather around before the event and have a big party.
Okay, you get it exclusive here. It's a tailgate. And it's a football thing, a soccer thing, football.
Yeah.
You know how much they like the football. Oh, there's another. I assume that pirate thing must be the mascot of them then. The Bucks, okay, that must be the mascot of them.
You'd try that, though. Give them a run for their money.
Yeah, I bet they're not £1 a burger. So the conclusion of that is obviously some kind of big American football event where they watch it beforehand. Being a person who doesn't understand sport whatsoever, it means nothing to me, but obviously the Americans like this type of thing. massive building here. We have absolutely no idea what it is, but there's a massive building here. Conference centre maybe, sports arena. Not quite sure. It's extremely metropolitan here. I'll go with her. Wait for me. I better go see where Becky's going. She has a habit of wandering off. Could be a cafe in there, maybe. We tried to buy something to drink earlier, but it was card only. Let's go and have a look inside. So that appears to be a water taxi.
Get one of them coming back.
Yep.
16. 16, yeah, 16.
60.
And there's another one pulling into the bay. And there's another boat. There's an airplane.
I don't know.
And this is a party bus there. A party taxi there. So that's one of the pedal ones where they have to pedal it for it to move. Oh, look at the pelican. I think it's a pelican anyway. Let's just do a close-up of it. Somebody else famous? Karen, a pelican. Ooh, we found the hobo. We found the tramp over there. I knew we'd find one. Look, this is manatees. Do they live here as well, Rachel? Tampa water taxi. There's a pelican on the swim. Well, this bit appears to be under construction. We just noticed there's a news station across the road, WLAF News Channel 8. And look at the big dishes on the thing, so we didn't even notice it. I'll just do a close-up on it. That's one of their news channels on the opposite side of River Walk. Yeah. Seems to be a big bridge over there. There seems to be something over here. Snacks. Great, that means I can get a coffee. Oh, seems to be Museum of Art.
probably stuff to be the owner. Sounds like a novel.
Let's see what this is. Wall of Honor. Right guys, we've walked as long as the walk as we're going to, and we need to start making our way back to the car now. So we're not going to go back the same way, we're going to go back inland a little bit. Rachel's at the front, she's got the map. And we're going to see what's round the back as we go back to where the car's parked. So we've walked about 2 miles so far. There's a water fountain over there. And on the way we'll probably stop for something to eat anyway. So guys, which video do you prefer? Do you prefer the videos of us driving and you seeing along the road, or do you prefer the videos of us walking and seeing more down to earth things? From my point of view, it's a lot easier in the car, but it is nice to actually get out, stretch your legs and see what's going on. And it gives you a far better look of what America's really like the different sides and how the walkway is, all the street furniture. I can hear a dee-dah. I can't see it yet. Oh, there it is. I think it's an ambulance. There you go, we saw a dee-dah. And there seems to be people on segways down there. And there's that news channel again. The Wells Fargo, which is a bank. Right guys, that'll do for now, because that's a nice long video of walking along the river walk and then walking most of the way back. Don't forget guys, if you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. And check out all the content if you've not seen it all of all the previous videos that I've done. See you later guys.